Hi, I'm Claire with MissionReady. Today we're covering Flowdown clauses, a critical part of compliance in defense contracting that many suppliers overlook. A Flowdown clause is a requirement from the prime contract, that's the agreement between the government and a large contractor, that must be passed down to subcontractors like you. These clauses ensure that all parts of the supply chain follow the same federal rules. If you're manufacturing a component for a prime like Lockheed or Raytheon, and that contract involves Controlled Unclassified Information, CUI, cybersecurity, or export control, you're likely subject to clauses like FAR 52, Basic Safeguarding DFARS 252, Cyber Incident Reporting, and NIST 800-171, or even ITAR or EAR obligations. Flowdowns are not optional. If the clause is in your PO or subcontract, you're legally responsible for meeting it, even if no one explains what it means. Your first step is to read the terms in any defense-related contract or purchase order, and flag any reference to DFARS, NIST, or export controls. If you don't understand a clause, ask. You risk being out of compliance. Thanks for watching.